What you're looking for has been here the whole time. If you could see that I'm the one who understands you'll be here all along. So why can't you see? You belong with me. You belong with me. Walk in the street with your in your walk out. Can't help thinking it's how it ought to be. Loving on a park bench, thinking to myself, hey, isn't this easy? You got a smile, you could lie at the whole time. Haven't seen it in a while since she brought you down. You say you're fine, I know you better than that. Hey, what you doing? What other girl like that? She wear high heel, I wear sneaker. She chair captain and I on the bleachers, dreaming about the day when you wake up and find that what you're looking for has been here the whole time. If you could see that I'm the one who understand you, been here all along. So why can't you see? You belong with me. Standing by and waiting your bed door all this time, how could you not know, baby? You belong with me. You belong with me. Oh, I remember you driving to my house in the middle of the night. I'm the one who make you laugh when you know you want to cry. I know your favorite song and you tell me about your dream. I think I found where you belong, then I know it's with me. Can't you see that I'm the one who understand you? Been here all along, so why can't you see? You belong with me. Standing by and waiting at your bed door all this time, how could you not know, baby? You belong with me. You belong with me. You belong with me. Have you ever thought, just maybe, you belong with me. You belong with me. Thank you.